Hey, look, we all know how this goes. Applications are developed to provide business value as MVPs or proofs of concept, and then hopefully they are re-architected for production and scalability. But then, as they live in production, features get grafted on, other business systems get integrated. The needs of the user never stop. Eventually, you've got yourself a reliability problem. Now, traditional infrastructure management approaches are not always equipped to handle the dynamic nature of AI applications, which require seamless scaling, fault tolerance, and intelligent traffic management. But we know this isn't easy. And so we've been working on solutions to help all of you architects and platform engineers build in reliability right from the start. AI Hypercomputer is a fully integrated supercomputing architecture that provides an end-to-end experience for AI infrastructure, optimizing for performance, speed, and cost efficiency. It addresses the challenges of serving AI workloads reliably by offering scalability and fault tolerance. Now, this is where it gets fun. This architecture starts with AI Hypercomputer running on Google Kubernetes Engine. You can make choices about which performance-optimized hardware you use, GPUs or TPUs, Parallel Store or GCS Fuse, and you can choose your framework, JAX or PyTorch. In this case, we're using TPUs with the inference accelerating Jetstream engine using JAX and GCS Fuse with SSDs to speed up loading of model weights. Then we layer on Cloud Load Balancer with custom metrics and service extensions. GKE and Cloud Load Balancer integrate to provide super high reliability. GKE automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized AI applications with 99.9% pod-level uptime SLA. Now that's a mouthful. While Cloud Load Balancer with custom metrics ensures high availability and intelligent traffic distribution. Get this, today, Cloud Load Balancing supports over 1 million queries per second. Those alone would be enough to get you scaling and fault tolerance, but AI applications present a whole raft of new challenges to reliability. How big is the prompt? Is it multimodal? Is it safe? Does it need to be rewritten to get accurate results? With our service extensions, customers can now do intelligent routing of prompts anywhere in their multi-model architectures, connecting the right models to the right prompts and protecting their backends from the unsafe ones. For reliability, we talk about the number of nines for your application's availability. 99%, 99.9, 99.99. Those nines matter. And solutions like this are going to start you deep in those nines. The rest is up to you. Check out our blog to learn more. Get access to the reference architecture and deployment guides. Thank y'all for watching.